Hello, good morning, and welcome. So let's get right into it. Today I am unboxing the Microsoft Surface Arc mouse, and so let's go ahead and get started. So as we can see here, it comes in this little compact box. There's not too much to it, just what you would expect. Um, and so now, forgive me, I had a little trouble with the nail clippers. As you can see, I'm a little new to the whole unboxing game, but I think we did eventually get it open. Once it's opened, we can see here that we've got nothing else in the box. It's just literally just the Surface Arc mouse. Um, so of course, they've got the usual user manual and all that stuff, and user guide. But outside of that, it's just a basic box. And as you can see here, it's very sleek, it's very slim, slender. So this one basically replaces the Microsoft Arc mouse. They were essentially the same. I believe the Microsoft Arc mouse was a little bit more squared off, and it maybe had a scrolling pane in the middle. So when they rebranded to Surface Arc, um, they give you a full scroll pane, so you can scroll over the entire portion of the top where you would click the buttons. Um, in addition to that, they provided it with a better snap. So when you snap, it snaps in place and both in and out. And they also optimized the structural design, so it's more sturdy and will last a little bit longer. So if you're interested in picking one up, these guys go for $80 at the Microsoft Store. You can often find them on sale, which is great. And they do come in red, gray, and burgundy. So that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching, and do stay tuned for more.